So next topic, different topic, thunder, lightning, and rainbow. So, okay. So it says Brachos on the thunder and lightning. When one sees the lightning, she should make the bracha oseh maaseh bereshis. The poskim write that in order to make the bracha, she need not see the actual lightning bolt. Right? It is sufficient that the sky or the room light up from the lightning flash. Okay, so let's see the whole translation of this. So I think it will be on the same page for me. So on lightning we say the translation, bless you Hashem, our God, King of the universe, who makes the works of creation. So it's in some sense it's general blessing, and we will see we're going to use the same blessing for other things. But for now, let's concentrate on the lightnings. And as we just said, so you don't have to see the bolt of lightning. So even so, like the sky like light up, or you see in a room through the window, does not matter. So you know that it came from lightning, and you can say the blessing. When one hears thunder, she makes the bracha. It says she, but same Halachah for men. It's no different. When one sees the thunder, she makes the bracha shekocho ugvaroso malei olam. So let's see the translation. So we said, bless you, Hashem, our God, King of the universe, for His strength and power that in His strength and power fill universe. So it's very interesting. So our sages say why Hashem creating thunder, like what is the benefit of thunder? So, and they say to scare people. So Hashem wanted to scare people, so they knew who is master of the universe, right? So it's good to be scared and know that Hashem is in charge. Okay, continue. One may make these brachas only if they are recited within 2-3 seconds from when she sees or hears the lightning or the thunder, respectively. If for whatever reason a person did not make the bracha at the time, she may no longer say it after the time. If she sees and hears it again, she may say the bracha at that point. So of course, I mean, if you did not expect this thunder, like to hear the thunder at this specific point, and you do not remember blessing by heart, even though it's only a few words, okay, there is no problem. So get yourself siddur, or get yourself ready. So I would always recommend people to take a picture, or to have a siddur on the phone. Right? Or take a picture if somebody does not have this phone, or for whatever reason, doesn't matter. So just take a picture from your siddur and keep it on handy in your phone. So next, so you heard this thunder one time, so most likely it's going to be another one, like a few minutes later, and you already opened this picture on your phone, or you opened the application on your phone. You can always say it. Of course, it's if you can remember, it's good. But if not, also there is always a solution. So the point to remember. So you only have 2-3 seconds to make it. So but 2-3 seconds. This lightning also like not for 1 second. It's also few seconds. So few seconds plus few seconds. So you have enough time to say the blessing. Like after it went off, so you have 2 to 3 more seconds. Okay. So continue. When just 1 second. Okay, continue. When one bracha suffices, it is clear from the Gemara that both brachas are in truth applicable to both thunder and lightning. As we saw from the wording of the blessings, like there is nothing like specific, no specifics. Okay, therefore, one sees the lightning and hears the thunder at the same time. She would say the bracha asema say Berachos. That's it. Berachos. So meaning what? Who makes the work of creation. Okay, that's works of creation applied to the lightning and to the thunder. Same blessing. Okay, but sometimes it's separate. So sometimes you would hear thunder, and only like sometime later you would see the lightning. Okay, but in the case when you see and hear them simultaneously, so you can say only one. Under normal circumstances, when one sees the lightning first, she should not wait to start the bracha. She should immediately begin the appropriate bracha, and when she hears the thunder, she should recite the other bracha. She should not wait to start the bracha. Okay, meaning okay. So one more time. So even though you're allowed to say one blessing on two events, as we just say, so but don't artificially break them into don't artificially try to combine them. That's the thing. So sometimes you see the thunder, but you see the lightning, but if rain is like if it's very far from you, so you see the thunder only like 5, 7, 10 seconds later, right? So like for you it's separate events, so you would need to say two separate blessings. So let me read one more time. I think that's what he means. Under normal circumstances, when one sees the lightning first, she should not wait to start the bracha, right? Meaning, say it. She should immediately begin appropriate bracha on lightning, and when she hears the thunder, she should recite the other bracha, and certainly does not need both thunder and lightning to make either bracha. Okay, so one on one, one on another. Maybe you're not going to see the lightning. Maybe you're going to, I don't know, in the inner room. Whatever. Like maybe you're going to be on the computer and there is no wall. I mean, well, it's possible that you're not obligated to put yourself in that situation that you would see the lightning. Okay. If one wants, if one waits for both and makes both brachas, the second bracha made is bracha in vain. So as we said, it's if you hear and see them separate, no problem. You say two separate blessings. But if they're in the same time, you say only the first one. As not one bracha suffices for both phenomena when seen and heard at the same time. Okay, so basically make up your mind. So if it's this lightning and thunder very close to you, meaning that you would be able to see it at the same and hear it at the same time, there's no problem. You can say one blessing. But if it's far away, so most likely that you see it first and hear only some seconds later, so say two separate blessings. Okay, continue. But if she saw it and heard it like in the same time, said two blessings, a second blessing is going to be in vain. That's the issue, and that's if you remember from our class Halachos For Brachos, we are working very, very hard, like discussing all of these different scenarios, how to avoid this situation when person makes a blessing in vain. Continue. There is only one situation in which one should wait for the thunder before making a bracha on the lightning. Okay. There is when one is not sure whether the lightning was caused by the rainstorm or by heat. Okay, or by heat. Okay. One does not make the bracha on lightning the caused by heat. Okay, I'm not sure, like lightning caused by heat, how does it look? I'm not sure. If one hears thunder after seeing the lightning, then one can be sure that the lightning caused by the rainstorm. So here, when one comes after another, for sure the two events are connected. But if you see this lightning that might caused by heat, I'm not sure. Like maybe because it's too hot, and I don't know, some electricity in the air. I'm not sure. Okay. So in that case, you're not sure if it's from rain or it's from heat. Okay, so then in this case, yeah, to be on a safe side, you have to wait for the sound. So if you hear the sound and then light, for sure it's from one source. If one waits to hear the thunder, then one makes only one bracha. Oseh ma'aseh v'reshis. The poskim write, so it's first blessing. The poskim write that this single bracha can be recited and can be recited after a pause that are longer than 2 to 3 seconds from the lightning, because the pause was for the purpose of the bracha. Okay, so it's like one exception. Okay, so let me check time. Okay, so we have time. So it's all of these blessings are very interesting. So as I said, may take a picture. May make sure you always have it handy. You never know when the rain is going to start, right? Or you have an application. Next one, repeating the bracha. If one makes appropriate bracha on a thunder and lightning, she does not make those brachas again during the same storm. However, if the storm clears completely and there is no longer rain clouds in the sky, but then the storm clouds return, a new bracha would be required. So it's very interesting. It's from Shulchan Aruch. It's very interesting. So completely meaning what? It was, let's say it was very rainy, very cloudy in the morning, and then it's cleared up completely, like maybe for even few hours, and then a few hours later, like 3 to 4 hours later after the original rain, started another rain. So yeah, you would be required to say another blessing. But if it was like on and off and still the clouds are there, so it's just continuation of the same rain. So you would not be allowed to say new blessings. That's Shulchan Aruch says there. Additionally, if it is a new day, then even if the part of the same store, the bracha made again. The Paskim explained that this means that the night has passed and it is now the morning. Okay. So the new day, they actually like say that new day meaning that the rain started at night, or right, we're going through the night, and now even go through continue through the morning. So in the morning, if you let's say you woke up at 3 in the morning, you said the blessing. Now you woke up at 7, 6:30, or whatever time you woke up. So you would need to say another blessing because it's a different day.